Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a sent email on Gmail. Have you ever hit send too quickly, only to realize you made a mistake? Gmail offers a fantastic feature called Undo Send that acts as your email lifeline. This is the only way to truly prevent an email from reaching its intended recipient after you've clicked the send button. It gives you a crucial, brief window to correct any errors. Before you can use this helpful feature, you need to ensure it's properly set up in your Gmail account. First, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail interface, then select See All Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find the Undo Send option. Here, you can choose your preferred cancellation period, ranging from 5 seconds up to a maximum of 30 seconds. Remember to save your changes. Once you've sent an email, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of your screen. A small notification will pop up saying Message Sent, accompanied by an Undo button. You must click this Undo button quickly within your chosen cancellation period. If you act fast enough, the email will be recalled and reappear in your Compose window, giving you the chance to make corrections or discard it entirely. It's crucial to understand the limitations of this feature. The Undo Send window is your one and only chance to stop an email from reaching its destination. Once that brief period expires, the email is officially delivered to the recipient's inbox, and there's no way to recall it. Deleting the email from your own sent folder only removes it from your view, not from the recipient's.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.